anka eno na meti ana me hwe odin sa eno ye galamsey na afi de mode sisi ahemfo no Mahama no na Mahama na nuanom na ye galamsey mamu mfa bibia nkosa ahemfo because ya mo ya tase say within 2 weeks and 3 weeks no ebetimi atu ase e ba ye mia ya no 2 weeks na betwam 2 months na betwam 6 months na betwam 1 year plus 3 months sa kofo ya wo mu si ebetimi de 2 weeks aye no up to now wo mu ntimi nye enso ene mo ka nanado time no de na ye nanado ana galamsey na nanado ana galamsey na akwamto wide
I for the abo modi
I was say dabi munya ehunfo no mo home
omunyina amoa
utie omo beboa de ompese omo bua bia tema na MPP wo no na ahemfo no wo ho ba ye gya ahemfo no ho ekobo party na so bo se wo mo ti Jubilee House na ye so wo mo ya MPP mpanyimfo na ye etie na de na de na to so sa 1 year 3 months na kofo yi refuse say omo betimi aboa na yetimi aso galamsey na se na afi na galamsey no asay more yes you say more na de all of a sudden ne de ya hemfo ye wenum na ye Mahama ne NDC for na ye won kan wo munyina so no muntimi nto ase because that is what they said they were coming to do aduma wo so mu ba be say galamsey no se yi MPP for ne free ho de a that is galamsey no to atwa sa no mu ka che e ne de me bio de be na be bio anu no afi na ye de enema ne number bi what is no o da bi mo aka de mo be ka ba me de so ka dem za me che magina na anya za na aka
oh yeah what you
ai ti me magina me che no ne se e ho na wo se mo bo se mo fi se ya de a wo pe se o ka ne ye pa de a me se se wo se wo bo ho na mo ka che wo mu se wo mu nya den wo mu anhwe kwa bia so se be ya be boa no mo timi a stop galamsey no ene mo yiye nyina no timo se nsiaga enkosi ba bia what I say enkosi ba bia because ye kwa na e kwa fe kwa na de no asem mo enti no ye mika tuo bebrebe a ne ye tune kasa bebrebe a ne ye ka no ne ye ka no ko ne sen enti me sew bebi o pa mo wa mo fa message no koma President Mahama direct na mo kan ne say ade na wo ye no de ayese won na mo fitri on twa bibi na wo me kan che Ghana fo na Ghana fo so nti se be ya be boa na galamsey no opese otu ase a wetimi atu ase ntem it occurs to me say omunye wo madwene krase e betu ase because they say ayo mu fe obetimi be gya ayo mu fe because say ayo mu fe because say the omu be kase obi be kase obi hia 200,000 per $200,000 dollars awe de betin so na ni wo say buy odi de ben corporate firms environmental way EPA said they will need about 200,000 per kilometer for the certain as a bibi. I want to come once them then. I don't know. Kwesi Kyei obi jedi. Na we nipa ko na wo hu nsuo no wo so. Na wo so every mile bia no wo be here $200,000 e de atiani a. I don't know how stop nipa na ote so no. Why don't you stop that person? Na mo jemusa na ye mo ska na ko to aduro. Aduro na odi begunu wonim side verse wo ma e betimi akofect obi. Enti na me say adwuma no de ayade wo ma yo magni so mu beye. Anu mu no mu nya gold no, anu mu no mu nya sika o mu hwehwe so mu bepe. Anu kra ne nyame ani mu hwehwe de wo mu ankasa president na ankasa ka che say nipa be 4 million ene wo mu nti say no ntimi ma de ne nya ide a. Na me hwa ka say ayade a wo mu na promote wo mu nya magni kra. Utie ayi ade a Sam George kan wa say Tama na wo opposition no. Was it let's call a spade a spade. I didn't make us say I was a blame woman no. You blame NDC ne President Mahama nyina no. Was say let's call a spade a spade. Look, people who are kingpins of illegal small scale mining in Ghana today are the people associated with the people sitting in the Flagstaff House, which is Jubilee House, the seat of the president. The people who are sitting in the ministries, the people who are sitting in MPP regional and national offices, they are the ones behind the galamsey. If this is said, they are no one is what you MPP in every hall. No one place NDC no hall. No one say, oh yes, because that is per what he said. But also wait me. Oh no, yes, but what I say? The all kind of say, you not say NDC. Would you say a template? No, we MPP in every hall. Now they are the people, the campaigns today are people associated with the people sitting in the Flagstaff House, which in this case is Mahama and it's NDC people. The people, what's it?
What the best one?
Mahama and the NDC.
I can say, we through on man, not assembly the kind of the assembly.
Assembly.
So where's the who say according to some George?
Some George.
And I'll see the only thing I'll be here.
Obey NDC, no MPP. No. It will you what? The messenger will be the same person. So the same said they know implies our terminal and one imply you know one channel woman because another of course no there you couldn't say woman being home say galamsey no there be now obi a year 6 match na galamsey 4 match galamsey for no be match be come one of these regions galamsey for be match omo video no
I was some year made this
time omo ni aje omo sai omo ya
video I know some ni aje
o da be na say match pass omo nyina ko
video there
obi a be to tie o betimi akreti but there is a match pass omo na make us one of these districts omo ejira mu den omo galamsey for omo so omo adwuma omo ya no
and me dey me hu imo
omo match me ya mo ansa no masori na watimi yi na amanfo ahwe it tells you say galamsey ne dey Mahama okutam ono na ye nti ono ya de a wo pe na nya de wo ba na jai na ajai china nti no mun ka san che no no nya na yin funu omo pe na
yeah recruitment no hon sem na fe
yeah recruitment me did say enokura ni nyame anim